I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. Be water, my friend.
Hello everyone, Trader here, and here's just a quick update of my trades from today. So let's get into it. I woke up, price was around here. So I seen that we put this bullish break of structure in on the 5-minute time frame. Price was bullish on every time frame, pretty much. The higher time frames, weekly, daily, a little bit sort of stagnant, but still bullish. And we still had levels above. So I marked this trendline liquidity as we were, touching this, we took off. So I marked this liquidity out, and I had this lower liquidity marked out with an alarm set on this. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but my alarm went off. I looked and we'd rejected. So I thought that we might have missed the move, that it was inside here. And I think we were like up here by the time that I checked my alarm. So I put an alarm on. I think I then put this on. But at this time we were like around here. So then I put an alarm on to this area, an alarm on for this imbalance, and I had marked out this is an area of interest. And then anyway, my alarm went off, and by the time my alarm went off, this move had happened. Or by the time I looked at the charts, I was busy doing something else, and then this had happened. So I thought ended up going on the 1-minute chart and seeing this playing out. So then I thought I would wait for this imbalance to get hit and look for the pattern. So then I had that imbalance and this liquidity area. That was my alarm, this liquidity area. So then luckily, as my alarm went off, I was watching the chart anyway, and I seen this happen, which anyone who knows my trading style knows that this is a perfect rejection. And then we had the confirmation. I can't remember my exact entry. I don't know if it was here or here. It was somewhere around here anyway. Let's just say, for instance, it was here because I probably wanted to wait for a bigger confirmation. It was about 2.5R. Yeah, so that was my exact trade. We had all 4 steps. So we had the first step, which was liquidity. And we had the second step, which is imbalance. The third step, which is the rejection, which anyone who has, been in my groups or watched any of my content knows that when I'm looking for a rejection pattern, I'm looking for the second leg to usually take out the first leg and then move away. So then we had that here. And then as soon as we moved away from that, which you can see I waited for 3 strong candles. But on that third candle, that was our confirmation. So after, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the 4 steps had taken place, that is when I entered the trade, and I was aiming for this liquidity level here. Fuck. I was aiming for that level there, and then thinking about this 5 minute imbalance, which if we refine that, that's the 1 minute imbalance. So then hit the take profit. I think I posted as this hit the take profit saying that, I was looking for this move here. Originally my first trade, well, sorry, my second trade, this is my first trade, and then as this take place, I thought, well, this is too nice. We've got an exact boom, 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 perfect. The 4 steps happened again. Liquidity, imbalance, rejection, confirmations came down. So I entered a trade on this. So originally I was aiming for this low, which if I had held it would have hit. But then as I'm looking at this, I seen this imbalance here. Oh no, I seen this imbalance here below this liquidity here. That was what I was looking for. So I seen this level. So I moved. So I remember this first one didn't hit, and then as we came back up here, I was thinking, oh shit, shall I pull out? But anyway, I just left it, and it hit. And then I posted that live as well as that happened. But I posted when I was entering this trade up here, just for anyone to, wonder if I'm bullshitting. Look on my Instagram or my TikTok, and you'll see that I posted that trade around this level here, just as I'd entered. But then I didn't enter this trade, but I noticed another lovely trade off the back of that, which, if anybody, it's a different style that I use, but here we've got the lower high. So we've got a market structure shift here as that goes below. Let me just get rid of this. As that goes below there, we've got the market structure shift. So something I would look for, something I've been testing out lately. And, I've been looking at them. I don't know if anybody knows him, but Kareem FX. He's another good trader that I've seen using similar styles to me. And I've been looking at his work, and it's something that I've already been working on, but I wanted to see any other traders that are using it and using it well. And he's doing the exact same thing that I'd worked out, which was a 1 minute time frame, market structure shift, breaks through, which tells me it's going to turn around. So you look for a imbalance, and that if we use the 4 step on this as well, we've got the market structure shift instead of liquidity, imbalance, nice pattern, move away. So you could have had another lovely trade there. I didn't enter this. I just sort of seen this as I was trading, but I don't like trading this new system live just yet. And you could have aimed, I probably would have aimed for this bottom here, which would have been perfect. But anyway, forget about that. My 2 trades from today were these.